Possible for fish to flood a desert where there's no water at all. It's one of nature's most unbelievable surprise. I can't believe my eyes. It looks so unusual and intriguing.
Vaya. Y así son millones y millones y millones de arañas.
Park! Holy crap! Okay. 我增加了，真的，ഇതുപോലെ കാഴ്ച നിങ്ങൾ കാണിക്കുന്ന ഇതുപോലെ കാഴ്ച നാളെ കാഴ്ച
Nature is full of surprises, and sometimes it delivers moments so rare, they're truly one in a billion. In this video, we'll explore awe-inspiring natural events that defy explanation. This video completely defies the laws of physics. How can something like this even happen?
Floating right in the middle of the air.
Behold the glory of God. On one side, rain pours down, while on the other, the skies are perfectly clear. It's a breathtaking testament to the beauty and wonder of nature. What a terrifying landslide that was. This hole looks amazing, but it is very deep and terrifying. Dark, massive clouds have gathered, creeping slowly across the sky, as if preparing to unleash something ominous. This place is absolutely mesmerizing. Would you like to live in this place? This tree was struck by lightning, leaving behind an awe-inspiring scene.
Oh, there comes the limb there.
Oh, crap. Wow. I've never seen a tree like this.
It was honestly so sad. Yes, I know they are not jellyfish. They are Velella. I think that's how you say it. But honestly, does anyone know why so?
Look at this incredible tree with water flowing out of it. Nature's very own water fountain. Before they knew it, a fast-moving rock slide was rushing toward our hikers. Thankfully, it was just narrow enough for them to step aside and carry on enjoying their adventure. This car getting badly hit by hailstones. What a rough beating from the storm.
We got a spout. Holy look at that. The chairs are flying. The cabanas are flying. Oh my goodness. Everything.
Hold on. Hold on. Don't move.
This guy is really lucky.
Oh no, I got a call. Oh my God. About 100 yards from it. This is unbelievable. Oh my God.
¿Te imaginas que querían quemar esto y la salió mal?
According to a tree expert at the Australian National University, the white fluff you see on the ground is actually a mass of tiny fibers designed to carry poplar seeds with the wind. Even a gentle breeze can send them drifting far from the parent tree. As shown in this video, these fibers are also highly flammable. In the desert, you definitely wouldn't expect to see an ice avalanche. This is especially for those who love frogs.
This is the Hunga volcano, and its eruption was so powerful that the shockwave was felt in 11 nearby countries.
Natural events that defy explanation. Moments when the forces of the earth, sky, and wildlife align to create scenes you have to see to believe. So let's get started. A calm ride on a clear day takes a terrifying turn as a 7.2 magnitude earthquake hits without warning. Captured in impressive moments of a lava flow on camera, showcasing the incredible power of nature. How is it possible for fish to fly?
Guys, you cannot leave the trees floating like this. It's not okay. You can't just do it. They still have not finished cutting down this tree.
How amazing this lighting strike falls on Maca Clock Tower. Just how powerful is this wind? It's a force of nature. Check out the powerful hurricane that rushes through the town in just minutes. This volcanic eruption is incredibly powerful.
Got rocks down in the water, right beside us.
Years of accumulation of glaciers melting away in minutes. This tornado is absolutely enormous.
我的妈！
来来来来，
我的妈！
哇，这下看见了吗？
我是塌房。
好，我们逃。
It's raining trees. It's like literally a hailstorm. Are we okay? Is there anything above us? I don't know. I told you a piece of my ceiling came out. Oh my god. Look at the... Oh my god. Oh my god, I forgot. Look at this. We might want to stand back a little bit from the window. Because these are getting pretty big. Oh, these are beyond big.
What is this? I think it's river foam. What's your take on it? This couple is really lucky to see such a beautiful display of nature. In Chile, the water ignites upon contact with a torch due to natural gas leaking from fish on the ocean floor.